Ready to turn ordinary moments into breathtaking slow-motion masterpieces using your Canon EOS RP. First, let's dive into frame rates. The EOS RP shoots up to 60 frames per second FPS in Full HD, which is the key to achieving that smooth slow-motion effect. Navigate to your camera's menu. Then find the movie rec quality setting. Here, select Full HD and ensure your frame rate is set to either 5990 for FPS or 6000 FPS. This will capture more frames per second than the standard 24 or 30 FPS, allowing for significant slowing down in post-production. Now, let's talk settings. Fast shutter speeds are crucial to prevent motion blur when each frame is stretched during slow motion. Aim for at least double your frame rate, so if you're shooting at 60 FPS, your shutter speed should be 1/120th of a second or faster. Adjust your aperture and ISO to achieve proper exposure while maintaining that fast shutter speed. Consider your lighting. Since you're using faster shutter speeds, you might need more light. Outdoor shooting on a sunny day is ideal, or use artificial lighting if you're indoors. Finally, post-processing. Import your footage into your favorite video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Interpret the footage as 24 or 30 frames per second. This will create the slow motion effect. Experiment with different speeds to find the perfect look for your footage. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can capture stunning slow motion videos with your Canon EOS RP, adding a professional touch to your creative projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canon EOS RP tips and tricks.